Welcome back. In our previous video, we have seen the different type of GitHub Copilot hooks. This video, we will see how we can include a formatter after a file creation. Going back to the project, I've created a new script. This says enforce file formatting.js. So your team might be having a file formatting defined for you, maybe for your front end or maybe for your back end. So here I've just used Prettier to format the HTML, CSS, JS, TS files or JSON files. And also for Java, we are using the MVMW. Okay, so I'm not going to execute this. I'm just going to execute the npx Prettier to format the documents after it is created. So this particular script that I have here is going to be linked to the Copilot hooks after the tool use, because file creation is a tool. So after that is used, I'm going to call it. So if you look at the PostToolUse, I'm calling two. So the first one is going to be print the PostToolUse console log, but the second one is using the enforce file formatting.js, which in turn going to use the Prettier to format our document, which is created by Copilot. Okay, so as you see here, let me do some modification. Anyway, it's gonna Copilot is gonna do it. So now I have updated this HTML file. I modified a little to make it a little off the format. Okay, and I'll just let the Copilot to run this command: update the HTML file to include the header as HTML header and make it center to the header. Okay, so I'll just send this. So now it should execute and then enforce the formatting. Okay, enforcing. Yep. So you can see here it has enforced. This was something I have executed previously, but now you can see here it has executed the tool, and you can see the file format is also updated. So this is also one of the use cases that you can use to enforce your team's formatting to any file that is getting created by Copilot. Hope this video is useful. I'll give the repo path in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in your next video.